I just got this pet spray hair comb for my cat and I can't wait to try it out. This 4-in-1 grooming tool is designed for both cats and dogs. It combines grooming, de-shedding, massaging, and steam spraying, making it an all-in-one essential for pet owners. The brush features curved stainless steel bristles set at a 140-degree angle so it can reach deep into your pet's coat. Whether your furry friend has long hair or short hair, it removes undercoats and loose fur efficiently. By reducing shedding, it helps prevent hairballs and keeps your pet's coat looking healthier and shinier. The bristles tips are rounded, which means they won't scratch your pet's skin. Instead, grooming feels like a relaxing massage. It's stress-free for cats who usually dislike brushing, and it keeps dogs calm too. It's perfect for a daily grooming routine, leaving your pets not only well groomed but also more relaxed. One of the standout features is the dual steam spray. You can switch between fine mist and thick mist depending on your pet's fur type and comfort. The spray helps reduce static and flyaway fur while making the coat softer and easier to manage. Plus, the visible water tank lets you check the level at a glance, so you'll always know when it needs a refill. For safety, the brush has an automatic pause function that stops spraying after 12 seconds to prevent dry burning. You can simply restart it with the press of a button. And when you're done grooming, cleanup is super easy. Just push the one-click release button to remove all collected fur in seconds. Made from durable ABS plastic and stainless steel, this brush is built to last. Whether you're grooming cats, dogs, rabbits, or other pets, it's a smart, reliable addition to any grooming kit.